Well folks, welcome back to Budgie's Bus. Those that don't know me, my name's John. Today we're going to be installing some of these Nero smart cameras. We've got two to install, one in the front pointing back to the habitation door and one from the habitation door pointing back to the cab. But before we start, I'd like to give a shout out to a couple of very special people, Rian and Di down in South Wales. They have their own YouTube channel which is called What's Occurring. So I will put a link in the description below, so if you don't mind going across, subscribe, give them a thumbs up and leave a comment. That's appreciated from me and no doubt from them as well. So what do we get in the box with these smart cameras? Is a camera, of course, a mains plug, your USB to micro USB cable, a sticky pad and a metal plate to mount your camera on. We're not going to actually be using these cables. What I've done, I've invested in a step down module. It steps down from 12 volt to 5 volt mini USB, so we can actually hardwire these in permanently, so whenever the electric's on, these will be running. So bear with us and we'll go through the installation bit by bit. Okay then folks, I've drilled the hole in the corner to feed the wire through. These are 12 volt lights, thin cable, so I spliced into these. I'll now solder these up and tape them up to make them safe. Okay folks, I'm going to be fitting the camera here, so it's pointing to the front of the cab, and just a matter of deciding exactly where I want to put it, which a moment. Oh, fingers and thumbs, bear with me, no fingernails. So if I put this there, turn the power on, it's a matter of tidying up the wires. There you go folks, that's one. I'll be placing the second one just in this corner here, so that'll be pointing back at the habitation door. So stick with me and be back when we've got them all up and running. Well folks, look who's here. She's finally got out of the house. Well, the cameras are up and running. We've put one here and one here. Let me show you on the camera. We've got one there. Oops. The other one just here. Let's get you back right. It's over here. Oops, we're not very square on the camera. But, oh. Yeah, so there you go. All up and running now. I'm back. Comes through to the phone. As you can hear, every time you move it's telling us it's there. Let's see if I can get a live one and I'll show you.
That seems to be you.
Well, that's it folks. Have you seen on the other camera, it's all working.
Seems to be you.
Well, that's it folks. Have you seen on the other camera, it's all working. Everything seems to be okay. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Anything else you want to say?
No.
No? Okay then. Take care, stay safe and happy travelling. Bye.
Bye.